Hi students, in this video I'll be going through questions 11 and 8 of the WA3 revision worksheet 1. So these two questions are regarding the construction of polygons using construction tools, okay, geometrical construction tools. Okay, so let's take a look at question 11. Okay, so they want us to construct triangle ABC such that AB equals to 9, BC equals to 7, and angle BAC equals to 40 degrees. Okay, measure and write down the size of angle ABC, and then how many triangles can you construct that satisfy given measurements? Right, so the first thing that you need to do is, of course, to construct the triangle. Okay, but usually before you start to construct an accurate diagram, it will be good if you can just do a rough sketch, okay, to find out in which order should you be uh inputting the details into the to do the construction, right? Okay, so now AB equals to 9. Okay, so we can start off with AB equals to 9. So just do a rough one, okay, to see whether it works. And then angle BAC is 40. So I can actually put my protractor at angle A and then measure 40 degree and then put a dot here. And then after that, all I need to do is draw a straight line through the dot, right? Okay, then so this angle will be 40 degrees. Right, so the point C will lie anywhere along this straight line, right? Okay, then next one, BC equals to 7. So now I can actually open my compass to 7 cm, and then after that I can actually mark an arc, something like this. Okay, so in this particular question, later on when we do the accurate drawing, you will see that actually you can have two possible triangles. Okay, one is from here, okay, all the way to here. Okay, one possible triangle, so C can be like that. Okay, another one will be like this, right? Another possible triangle. Okay, so there are two possibilities, okay, that will fulfill this condition. AB equals to 9, BAC is 40, and 7 or 7 here, right? So there's two possibilities. Okay, so now so the answer for B, part B later will be 2 lah. You can construct two triangles. So now let me go to the online construction tool uh, to do an accurate drawing. Okay, so definitely you need to have your compass and your protractor with you for your WA3 as well as for your practice. Okay, okay, so let's go over. Okay, so this is the construction tool. So I'm going to start by drawing the line AB is 9 cm. Okay, so let's do it. From here all the way to here. Okay, so this 9 cm. Okay, so this would be A. Okay, then after that, this would be B. Okay, okay, so this 9 cm. Right. Okay, then the next one, we're going to put the protractor at A, and then we're going to measure out 40. Okay, so follow the inner 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So we're going to put a mark here. Okay, remove the protractor. Okay, then we're going to draw a line. Okay, this line, just draw it very long, okay? Passing through the point where you mark the 40 degrees, okay? So just like that. Okay, so just like this, right? So this angle here is now 40 degrees. Okay, 40 degrees. Okay, so this point C can lie anywhere along the line, but to find the exact position, we will now need to use the compass to draw the arc, okay, from point B. Right, so BC is 7, so take out your ruler. Okay, then take out your compass. Okay, with 7, so you're going to open it to 7 cm. Okay, like this. Okay, okay, then lock the compass. Okay, keep the ruler. Okay, put it at point B. Okay, I'm going to shift this over to here first. Okay, shift it closer, then draw the arc. Okay, so you can see that it cuts at 2 points, okay, here and here. So that means there are two possible positions for point C. All right, two possible positions. So one is over here, the small, the one closer. Okay, then the other one would be from here over to here. Okay, so this is one possible position for C. This is the second possible position. All right. Okay, then they want you to measure and write down the size of angle ABC. So just take your this one, the compass, and then the protractor and put it over here. Okay, so over here you can see that this one is well, the answer is about 16. Okay, so for part A, okay, one possible answer for ABC is 16 degrees. Okay, then the other one seems like it's something like 83.5. Okay, but for protractor, actually we can only read to the nearest degree. So maybe we will go for 84 degrees. Okay, so two possible answers. Right, so usually for this kind of question, because this is a hand-drawn diagram, they will usually accept a certain range lah. Okay, a certain range for the answers that you measure. So maybe anywhere between 15 to 17 and then 83 to 85 degrees would work, right? Okay, then for part B, of course, we already know the answer. There are two possible triangles, okay, that we can draw. Okay, so remember, bring your protractor, bring your compass, and then do the drawing. Okay, it's not that difficult. Just do some practice on your own. Okay. Okay, now let's go back to the next question. This one. Right, so let's go back to this. Okay, so now we are at question 8. Okay, so they want us to construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 3, BC is 3.5. Okay, so now it's a quadrilateral CD 2.5, DA 3, and BD is 4. Okay, so let's do a rough sketch first. Okay, so let's say I want to start with AB. Okay, so AB will be like this. Okay, so AB. Okay, so this is the 3 cm. Okay, then let's see which one allows me to find another point. Okay, so over here you can see I have point A and point B, right? So I go for the one that involve point A and point B. So this actually allows me to find the position of D because AD is 3. So I can actually open the compass to 3 cm and then after that get it up here. Okay, something like this. Then open BD, the compass to 4. Then from BD, give another up. So this will be point D already. Then I'll be able to get this second point over here. Okay, then from here, so second and third. Then once I have point D, I'll be able to do this. CD is 2.5, so open 2.5, make a arc here. And then BC, finally BC is 3.5, so open the compass to 3.5, then make an arc here, and then you will be able to get your quadrilateral. Okay, so point C will be over here lah. Okay, point C over here. Let me draw it nicely. Okay, so you're able to get your quadrilateral. Okay, something like this. All right. Okay, so this is how you draw it. Okay, let's draw it accurately using the construction tool. Okay, so let's go back, share, okay, clear. Okay, so let's start with AB equals to 3. So ruler out. Okay, take your ruler here. Okay, then draw a line 3 cm here to here. Okay, this one is a bit small lah, okay. It's not good if the lines given are too small. It's very hard to use the compass. Okay, then dA equals to 3. So this one is AB, A, B. Okay, then open it to dA is 3. So let's open this to 3. Okay, so let's go from 5 to 2. Okay, so if it's 3, then 5 to 2. Okay, lock it. Okay, keep. Okay, let's shift this one a bit here first. So I know the point that I need is somewhere here. Okay, so just like this. Okay, then next one is BD is 4. Okay, so BD is 4. So 0. No, okay, BD is 4. Hmm. Oh, I didn't lock it. Okay, so BD is 4. Okay, so now this will be point D already. Okay, point D. Okay, so let's join point D to A. All right, the next one we will go for BC 3.5. Okay, so the last point to mark out is C. Okay, 3.5 is here. Unlock, come down, lock it. And so the point that is going to be somewhere here. Okay, then finally, let's go for CD 2.5. Unlock, CD 2.5. Okay. Okay. Right, CD. So put a D, okay. Okay, so just a small one here, right? Okay, so we are done. Okay, so we have all, all the working that we need. So D will be here, C will be here, and from here to here. So this will be point C, right? Point C. Right, so this is how you draw, okay? So in your test and exam, we want to see all these arcs, okay? So don't erase away the arcs after you do. So whenever you are asked to, whenever you want to locate a point using lengths, then you need to use your compass to form the arcs. And then when the arcs intersect each other, that will be the point that you need, right? Okay, so do go and try more questions. The more questions you do, the more confident you will get. And you'll be able to do the drawing better and better, all right?